Mamelodi Sundowns captain Themba Zwane has lifted the lid on the heartfelt conversation he had with former teammate Sipho Mbule before the midfielder switched to Orlando Pirates, a move that has since reignited Mbule's career. Zwane and Mbule, affectionately known as Mshishi and Masterchef respectively, shared the pitch at the both Mamelodi Sundowns and Bafana Bafana before Mbule joined the Buccaneers at the start of the current season. Mbule had just completed a loan spell at Sekhukhune United when Pirates came calling, and he has made the most of his new opportunity. Mbule's dazzling displays in midfield have not gone unnoticed. His form has earned him a recall to the national team setup, with Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos including him in the squad for the recent 2026 FIFA World Cup qualifiers. Broos has even hinted that he wants both Mbule and Zwane in his plans for the upcoming Africa Cup of Nations in Morocco this December. Speaking at the CAF Champions League group stage drawn Monday, Zwane revealed that his bond with Mbule remains strong and that their conversations played a part in shaping the midfielder's move to Soweto. And said, Sipho Mbule and I always talk. He knows that I'm always there for him and to give him any advice he wants. I was so happy to see him play for the national team and doing well at Pirates. Before he moved to Pirates, we spoke about it too. Zwane said he encouraged Mbule to embrace the challenge and back his own ability. Said I told him that he was what it takes to do well and be selected for the national team, and it happened. While Mbule continues to shine for both the club and the country, Zwane is currently sidelined with an injury and will miss Bafana Bafana's upcoming friendly against Zambia later this month, a key part of the team's preparations for AFCON. Mbule, meanwhile, will look to continue his resurgence in national colours as he cements his place among the country's finest midfielders. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.